Okay, this is Busy at Math 6, page 26. This is multiplication. This is going to be long multiplication, and we're going to multiply decimals. So the first one, 1a, is 6.842. Now when you're doing it in your copy has got squares. Now what I want you to do with this is, I want you to put 6 and then the decimal point, put it on the line. But kind of make it big, 6.842. So don't give the decimal point a box of its own, put it on a line. And then we multiply it by 73. Now this is long multiplication because we're multiplying by a 2-digit number. So see these two, the 7 and the 3, that's a 2-digit number. So we multiply everything by 3 first. So 3 by 2 is 6. And it's 2, underneath the 2 is a 3, underneath the 3 then is a 6. Then it's 3 multiplied by 4, and that's 12, so you put down a 2, and you carry a 1. And then it's 3 by 8, and 3 eighths are 8, 16, 24. Plus this 1 is 25. Down to 5, and I'm going to carry the 2. And then it's 3 multiplied by 6, and that's 6, 12, 18. And 2 is 20, and I put down to 2, and I put down to 0. Now the next step is very important. You have to put down a 0 here, and I always try and give him a smiley face because then I remember to put him down. So I call him the smiley face 0. And then I multiply everything by 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. I down by 4, and I'm going to carry my little 1 to here. 7 now by 4 is, that's 28, plus 1 is 29. Now watch, I kind of add that 1 in and then I draw it in there, so there's no little 1 hanging around. I drew it into the 9. And next it's 7 multiplied by 8. 7 eighths are going to be 56, so by down to 6. And I'm going to carry the 5 here, a little 5. And then it's 7 by 6. That's 42. Plus this 5 is 47. And again I'm going to try and draw it into it here. That means I don't have a little numbers hanging around. And now what I do is I add them up. 0 and 6 is 6. 4 and 2 is also 6. 9 and 5 is going to be 14. So down to 4 and I carry the 1. 6 and 1 is 7. Plus 0 is still 7. 7 and 2 is 9. And then 4 and blank is 4. Now you have to ask yourself, where does the decimal point go? So here's what you do. Get your red pen, or just a normal pen if you have it, and you count in, up in the question, how many numbers come after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3. And you draw a little line underneath each of them. Now down in the answer you do the same. Draw the same amount of little lines you did up the top. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point goes here. So that's your answer, 497.466. Okay, and the rest of them are all kind of the same as that.